Hey there, Southern cuisine fans! Today I'm bringing you a taste of New Orleans with an authentic Creole Gumbo recipe. If you're ready to take your taste buds on a trip to the Big Easy, let's jump right in. First up, we're making the roux. Grab a large heavy saucepan and whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 3/4 cup of bacon drippings over medium-low heat. Keep whisking until it's smooth. This part is crucial, folks. We want that roux to turn a rich mahogany brown, which can take about 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on the heat and whisk constantly. Once it's that perfect color, take it off the heat and keep whisking until it stops cooking. Next, let's get our veggies ready. In a food processor, pulse together 1 cup of coarsely chopped celery, 1 large coarsely chopped onion, 1 large green bell pepper, and 2 minced garlic cloves until finely chopped. Stir these veggies into your roux, along with 1 pound of sliced andouille sausage. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the veggies are tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. Then set it aside. Now we move on to the gumbo base. In a large Dutch oven or soup pot, combine 3 quarts of water with 6 beef bouillon cubes and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once the bouillon cubes are dissolved, whisk in your roux mixture. Reduce the heat to a simmer and add 1 tablespoon of white sugar, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce like Tabasco, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning blend, 4 bay leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, 1 can of stewed tomatoes, and 1 can of tomato sauce. Let this simmer over low heat for an hour, stirring in 2 teaspoons of file gumbo powder at the 45-minute mark. While that's simmering, melt 2 tablespoons of bacon drippings in a skillet over medium heat. Add in 2 packages of thawed frozen cut okra and 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. Cook for about 15 minutes, then remove the okra with a slotted spoon and stir it into your simmering gumbo. Finally, add 1 pound of lump crab meat, 3 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Let it all simmer together until the flavors are beautifully blended, about 45 more minutes. Just before serving, stir in 2 more teaspoons of file gumbo powder. And there you have it, folks, a steaming bowl of Creole Gumbo that brings the heart of New Orleans straight to your kitchen. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another delicious dish.